Hi everyone, this is Farah. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So excited to have you guys here. As you can see from the title, this is another handbag unboxing. So excited to share this with you guys because this is my first ever Saint Laurent or Yves Saint Laurent handbag. I have been wanting a Saint Laurent handbag for a long time. I mentioned it early last year that was kind of a bag brand that I really wanted to try out. And there was a particular bag that I had kind of narrowed it down to, but I was just really looking to find it where it was a colorway that I liked and a price that kind of worked for my budget, and I was able to find that, so I'm so excited to share it with you guys. I've used this bag actually a few times, I just haven't had a chance to share it on my channel, so it's kind of like more of a reveal, but let's go ahead and get right back into it, right back into these unboxings that I've been kind of doing, just because I'm trying to catch up from this last year of the bags that I bought that I haven't had a chance to show. So if you like videos like this, luxury, style, handbags, unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you can see me for my future videos. But let's go ahead and get into it. So this bag I purchased pre-loved from the Realreal, and I've kind of bought a lot of bags from there recently. I've gotten really good at like kind of the process and making sure things are authenticated, and then also authenticating it myself, again, even after I've gotten it. So I just feel like they have really good prices, so that's why I feel just like my money just stretches further there, and they have a lot of variety, selection as well. This video is not sponsored or anything like that. I would love it if they would sponsor me because I shop there a lot, but I have found some really good things there lately, so it's kind of been, you know, between the Realreal or Fashion File, the two places that have kind of been my go-to. In the past I've also bought things from places like Poshmark, Mercari. I think that is pretty much it. Those are like my main platforms that I've shopped on. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, and this is a bag that I've been wanting for some time. Let me show you. Here it is. So this is the Saint Laurent college bag. I love this bag. Look at this. It's just so classic. Like, this is the perfect kind of like everyday bag, day to night bag, and very functional, versatile. So this has this kind of envelope closure, flap closure, that I feel like Saint Laurent is really known for in their style. The chevron pattern, the YSL logo here right in the middle, and kind of like a gunmetal hardware, as you can see. This beautiful, very supple pebble leather, very durable top handle, which I love in all my bags. It's got a back pocket that can fit a phone, some other things, depending on your phone size, I guess. And then it's just a flip, opens up. It has a strap that's like this gunmetal. I love this strap. It's kind of like hollow, it seems like. I don't know, because it's really big and chunky, but it's the weight doesn't match up with how much you would think it would weigh for being how big it is. It's like kind of like it's hollow or something. I don't know. It's lighter, but that's kind of that gunmetal I was mentioning. So the strap has like a little leather tab up on the top that says Saint Laurent as well, and then it just kind of clasps on with this to this top right here, I believe. Yes. Right up here. So very functional and versatile. Now this is not adjustable, the strap, but it's a good length on me. And the inside, I just love, I have it stuffed, but it's got like a little zipper compartment here, a little back pocket here, with another little slip pocket, and then like the main compartment as well. So here it is, my first ever Saint Laurent bag, the YSL college bag. So I love it. I have, like I said, I've used it a few times. It's been, again, a great just everyday bag, throw on kind of bag. I don't really have to worry just because of how supple everything it is. It's pretty lightweight as well. And then it transitions so easily into evening, whether it's hand carry or kind of shoulder, you know, long shoulder, or even crossbodying it. So I love it. And I think the hardware makes it where you can dress it up as well. So this is it. This is my first ever Saint Laurent bag. I've kind of looked at a lot of the styles. I know the Lulu was another popular style, the Kate bag, which is more like the evening clutch style, or the Kate with that has that little dangly tassel. I really had looked into all those, tried them all on in stores to kind of get an idea of what I liked, but I kept going back to the college bag because I guess this top handle is just everything for me. It makes like a huge difference. So I love having that versatility of the top handle plus the crossbody. So there is my beautiful bag. Let me know what you guys think. Do you own anything by Saint Laurent? If so, what bags do you guys have? Because this is my first kind of entry into this brand, but I'm really excited. And if you guys enjoyed this video and would love to see more unboxings, please give this video a thumbs up. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't, and I'd love to see you back in my future videos. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.